Hi, I'm Leanne, and this is my review of the Flexzilla 50-foot retractable extension cord. So this is mounted in my garage, and it's mounted with a black bracket. It comes with that mounting equipment, and then you can see it's plugged in right here with a standard plug. Here's a closer look at how it's mounted on the wall. You can see that this is a little bit dirty, but obviously it's pretty simple to install with just these two big bolts here. And then because our outlet was higher on the wall, that just determined our height. On the end, you have 3 outlets, so you can use up to 3 items at one time. And then it swivels here. So if I need it to lay flat, it will lay flat. When you pull it out, you can lock it into place. So if you're doing work in the driveway or the yard, you can keep it where you need it, and then it will easily store. So really this takes care of extension cords piling up in the garage. This works great like for the shop vac when I vacuum out my van. It prevents the cord from getting caught under the tires. It always seems to find its way there and gets caught under my feet. So this is a really handy tool. And I mean, you can use it for just about anything you need to plug in your garage or the yard, but it's an item that makes my life easier, and I do recommend it.